Hey y'all, hey, it's Monday. So today I took off of work because Sky doesn't sound the best and I didn't want to send her in kind of like, to her teachers, like with the runny nose or the stuffy nose, or I didn't want her to, be complaining about her throat and stuff. So that's how my Monday's gonna get started, right? Being at home, trying to take care of her. So I think I'm gonna turn the humidifier on and just try to get her some meds in for today. Hopefully go to work tomorrow. But meanwhile, I'm at my happy place. Okay, so since I'm off today because she was sick, I just decided to come in here and attack this closet. One of the things with this closet that I needed to attack the most is to go through my body wash, shampoos, conditioner, lotions, sprays, all of that type of stuff. So let me just show you guys what I have so far. I didn't record any of me starting. Let me just show you. So this right here is just the kids. Over here is Charles. Basically like first aid, Q-tips, washcloths, towels. I don't like it like this. I wish that there was a whole dedicated shelf for towels, but it's not enough space. And I'm thinking of creating that over the summer when I have time. So like all my face washes and like deodorant and shaving gel, toothpaste for adults is back there. Literally everything for the kids is on this shelf. And then right here is what I've been working on. So I have all of the shampoos, conditioners, things for my hair that I actually want to keep up here. And then I'm still going through things like these. I'm still having to go through, this actually needs to get moved down. So this is hair stuff as well. If I didn't need it, I literally like threw it in the trash or set it to the side for like my mother, co-workers to go through. I think that that's like a great thing. So I went through literally all of my Bath and Body Works, Dove, Suave, Tone, any of the other stuff that I had got, and just organized by spray, lotion, body wash, smaller sprays, and then of course like all of my hair stuff. And yeah, that's how it goes. Up there is a mess as well that I have to get ready to tame. All right, so I took a break, got my little package from Amazon, thought that I would open it. Amazon is like one of the favorite places right now. So I have this iPhone XR pink case, as you guys can see here. I needed a new case because the one that I just recently bought, the red one that you guys see here, it makes it hard to type on my phone, whereas I'm trying to push certain letters and it's pushing the next letter next to it. So if you guys have an iPhone XR, this will be in my description box. Check out the link. Okay, so I got a package in the mail the other day. Never knew what it was because I didn't know if it was like a sponsorship or if it was something I ordered off Amazon. So time to find out. I've had this box sitting for like 2-3 days now. All right, so as I open it now, I'm starting to realize what I exactly ordered. So I did order these Pure milk teas, as you guys can see here. These are the milk tea strawberry flavor. I used to get these from the Oriental store, and I used to make these literally last year. I couldn't find them back in the Oriental store, so I had to order them. It comes in a 6-pack for like $17, and I just had to have them. They're really good, especially when I can't get to Kung Fu tea. And this right here, for 6 of these, is cheaper than getting like 2 Kung Fu tea. So got a couple things done around the house today. I did pull out my salad that I got from Domino's last night because your girl started making cod, and next thing you know, it was sticking to the pan. Okay, so it's lunchtime. I'm about to go get me a smoothie bowl or a smoothie, whichever one I choose. And then I'm gonna just grab me something from McDonald's. Cause I really don't want like all the fruit. I just want the smoothie part. Thank you. Good morning. So I just made a checklist of like what pages still need to be finished. So it's almost the end of the year, and like we're having to like jam pack everything. So let me show you guys what we're working on. So I printed this out. It is just a letter sound that's mixed up. It's a reading warm-up. Learning the last few sight words of the year, which is were and what, and then I'll be doing a review. Show you guys my spread kindness, self appreciation. Thank you for being you, for making the day go by quick with your laugh and smile. So, haven't been to the grocery store lately, but I do plan on going sometime today. Alright, so I just got home not too long ago, walked the dogs. I have this package sitting outside, and I can't remember what it is I ordered from Amazon, y'all, but we'll see. Okay, so now I remember exactly what I ordered. I ordered the Ghirardelli white chocolate flavoring. This actually was like $8. I ordered this because I like to use this with my Java coffee. So, all right, so I'm on my way to Food Lion. I'm just gonna go pick up a couple things and then get ready for dinner and kind of deal with the kids and sit back and relax. All right, so this morning I got me 2 hash browns, a medium iced coffee, an egg and cheese bagel, and then egg and cheese bagel, 2 hash browns, and a vanilla iced coffee. Oh, and a side of scrambled eggs, that's what I got. Okay, so for lunch, we went and got bagels. This is a Sprite. Been milking on for an hour. Our cinnamon raisin bagel with cream cheese. And then we also went and got a smoothie that I hope to eat soon or drink soon. I'm gonna go put it in the freezer. For a snack, I just had a vanilla loaf. And I'm gonna go ahead and have these bunny treats, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and eat my tuna fish that's original barbecue. All right, y'all, so it's about 5:15. I got my sangria Duplin wine. After today's type of day, I need a little fun.